One of the things that are really unique about our program is the active learning component. We use a reverse to classroom kind of method where we provide a lot of information to our students. Before they come to class, we come to class and we do a lot of application. We give patient cases to the students and they basically work through that patient case, and then they have to apply some of the things that they're learning in their readings, and then we have discussions and debriefings after we have these discussion activities.
Our field is changing pretty drastically. The name of athletic trainer is somewhat misleading. While athletic trainers are still primarily employed in collegiate and high school settings, a growing number of athletic trainers are employed in physician practice settings, in tactical settings like the Los Angeles Fire Department or with the Air Force or Army. Cirque du Soleil actually has one of the highest concentrations of athletic trainers in the country. So there's a number of growing opportunities for athletic trainers, and we really feel that by not providing those opportunities to our students, we'd be doing them a disservice. We have immersion experiences, or what other health fields commonly call fieldworks, where students are immersed in a setting for either 9 or 11 weeks with very minimal coursework, where they really get a chance to understand the full demands of the profession in a variety of settings.
One of them is local, and the other one's required to be outside of the St. George, Washington County area, where they go and basically spend time with an athletic trainer. They're there and they do everything that athletic trainer is doing.
I was at Snow Canyon High School with Dewan, and so when he's out, doing stuff for sports, I'm like with him, helping out, like learning from him. He's teaching me different things about like what goes on day to day, and I'm just gaining experience in the field.
My first clinical site, I was at Dixie High School for the full 14 weeks football season, and I got to directly apply everything that I've learned in the classroom out on the field and with my athletes.
Our goal as a program is to really help to create professionals that have a high level of interprofessional ease. So working with other healthcare professionals within our system is really integral to what we want to achieve. Our students also complete a couple of different quality improvement or quality assurance projects. During their second summer, they participate in an interprofessional clinical experience. So they rotate with professionals that are not athletic trainers. We have physical therapy, occupational therapy, chiropractic care, podiatry, just to name a few. And those students do time in those rotations, and we come back and talk about scope of practice and roles and responsibilities and how do you collaborate effectively. So by the time our students graduate, they've already had 70 hours of experience with another healthcare professional, and that's multiplied by the experiences that their classmates have had.
One of the things that we're really excited about this cohort this year, we've had basically four different students that have gotten external internships.
I am actually have an internship with the Miami Dolphins, so that's been I'm really excited. It's going to be a lot of hard work, but in the future, my goal is to work professional, specifically football.
I got an internship with Jacksonville Jaguars, and then I'll go up to a high school, Skyridge High School in Lehigh, Utah. Yeah, so I'm really excited for future opportunities, and then I'm grateful for the ones I've already had.
My Utah Tech experience has been great. It's like a family here.